I'm Charlie Taylor, co-founder and president of Larry Thomas Youth Development. Today I'm here with Tomika Banks. Hi, Tomika.
Hi, Charlie.
Yeah, we have a couple questions for you. Will you tell us about yourself and your role in the community?
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm Tomika Banks. I'm the proud principal of the Pointe Pride. I've been the principal here for 7 years, and it's a wonderful community that we've built here, and I absolutely love what I do.
Why do you support LTYD, Larry Thomas Youth Development?
Is at Mountain Pointe, they help us out a lot. If you look, we have a pantry here for our students, so they're able to eat and get food and nourishment. They also have provided mentorship for some of our young black males, which has been absolutely fantastic. And we also raise funds and to support Larry Thomas Youth Development through our Pride Pantry, so that we are able to give those meals every year.
And what specific benefit do you see LTYD having in your community?
It's the food, it's the mentorship. It's so important at this age because we do have high schoolers. It's super important at this age for students to have folks that look like them, that they can identify with in their struggles. They've also helped us with scholarships for some of our kids as well, and that's what we're here for, to have them move to the next level.
Thank you, Tomika. To learn more about LTYD, offer support, and make donations to strengthen our community impact, go to ltyd.org/donate. Thank you.